A gun of mass capital M fires a bullet of mass small m with a kinetic energy of E. The recoiling velocity of the gun is, we are finding, its answer we are getting square root of 2me by capital M. See here, capital M is the mass of the gun. From this, when bullet fired, before firing, bullet and gun both are at rest. After firing only, due to chemical energy, it will possess some energy and coming out with some velocity. That velocity I am taking as v1. This is action. For every action there must be an opposite reaction due to Newton's third law of motion. That thing we know. So due to this it moves backward with a velocity of v2. I am assuming. Now here you apply law of conservation of linear moment. Before that I am assuming it is moving with v1 velocity. At that time what is the kinetic energy? Kinetic energy here E given. What is the formula for kinetic energy? Of m v square. So of m v1 square equals to E. Otherwise mv1 square equals to 2E. Otherwise v1 square equals to 2E by small m. So what about v1? Square root of 2E by small m. This is my first equation. This is the velocity of the bullet. We want to find the velocity of the gun. Okay, now I am applying law of conservation of linear momentum. What is the formula here? According to law of conservation of linear momentum. What is the law of conservation of linear momentum? If the external force is 0 on the system, due to internal forces, if some impulse force exchange happens, due to that, before collision total momentum equals to after collision total momentum. So we are writing this as m1 u1 plus m2 u2 equals to m1 v1 plus m2 v2. This is our formula. This belongs to before collision total momentum. Before firing, this gun also at rest, bullet also at rest. So this total is 0. After firing only, bullet going in this way with velocity v1, this gun going backside with velocity v2. So I am taking m1 v1. M1 means small m v1 plus what about this capital M into v2. What I want? v2 I want. Now this implies small m v1 equal to capital M v2. I want v2. So v2 equal to minus small m by capital M into v1. Now substitute what is v1. So this implies v2 equals to minus small m by capital M into v1. This implies v2 equal to minus small m by capital M. What about v1 value? 2e by small m. That's all. Due to the mathematics we are getting this. This implies v2 equals to minus 1 by capital M 2e into small m square by small m. And small m going inside m square happens. So this cancel. Finally we are getting this as v2 equals to minus square root of 2me by capital M. Minus represents what? Opposite direction. v1 I am taking positive. Negative coming means this is reverse direction going. Because velocity is a vector. Minus represents direction. Opposite to the motion of the bullet, gun moving. Minus represents that thing. So here we are applying law of conservation of linear momentum. It came from Newton's third law of motion.